I'm out here today and I have a Sony ZV1F equivalent to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I can shoot with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II second generation as well, but I feel that the Sony ZV-1F should do a mighty fine job. I believe this is a fixed focus camera, which it is. And I think the Pocket 3 is also a fixed focus, continuous focus, exactly. And yeah, not many people online love the ZV1F. They basically did like they did to the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. They looked away from it. I'm holding both cameras the same equal distance. Oh yeah, man. I'm walking away from the light, fish. And I'm not going to be comparing it because I got a DJI Mic 2 on one and not the other. But I'll stop walking for the reason of, I'm not gonna put this in a program called Catalyst Browser. And that would be about the only difference I can see. That I have a gimbal, mechanical head with 3 motors, while the other camera's got software that can smooth it out like butter. When do you need to have a cement truck with blue lighting to look like a cool truck? I like this shot for the reason of you get to see the inside where the machine is at and all the washer machines lit. Oh, back up, fish. Back up. Did I put the zoom on? Zoom is not that hard and difficult on the camera, no. All right. The Sony ZV1F is the camera that I really look big in. I like the way that it has the red bullet around the whole screen. Maybe something that the Pocket 3 may have than just a blinking light. That is what I like about the Sony, besides the nice large LED on the camera and the little blinky one on the Pocket 3. Oh, no, Fish is not talking bad. These are the things I see, what I like. Even on the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, yeah. Now, I could get up out of my chair, I don't have to sit here, and you're gonna follow me, and as soon as I get off screen, which is right about here, the Pocket 3 will continue to follow me until it hits its radius turn. Now, why would you want to get a camera that is great and then you gotta wait for the next model for them to get inside face tracking that will move with you just a little bit off screen? That's where people like the Pocket 3 better. Well, if I have my phone on, yeah, I could stop my video recording, but since I don't have my phone on, I have to hit the remote for the Pocket 3 only. I had a full battery, died just like that. So I'm happy I got my additional batteries for my Sony, but they're at home. They're useless at home, right? So let me just get this shot here because I'm gonna be heading back. I spent enough time with you. How's this shot? Is it too bright? Do I need to darken things up? I don't know. I feel that overexposed, even I got the EV value turned down. Maybe I need to adjust the shutter value down. Let me see if I can find the shutter value. Maybe that'll help some. Think I got it right this time? I just don't get it. So I tried adjusting the shutter value manual. Yeah, if I drop it down, it gets brighter. If I increase it, it gets darker. And it didn't work out the way I wanted to. Oh man, I did turn it down to 50%, so not overblown. Maybe that was my problem. The camera's device actual brightness of the screen's display. Well, I am Fish, and I'm about to end this talk. And the one thing I do want to say, startup time's not bad, man. As soon as you turn that bad boy on, it's a lot faster than a GoPro! Ho-ho! I'm happy. I'm not mad. I'm not upset. Some things I said, some things I like, some things I dislike. You know the story. You know the drill. And on that note, have a great day, and I'll see you on many other videos to come.